Welcome back to my channel, Ruff Ruff Ruff! If you have not subscribed, please subscribe now and get more tips and tricks about dogs. Like me, Ruff Ruff Ruff! Today, we are going to talk about how do I drink, or how do dogs drink water. Do you want to know? Just stay and watch this video. A lot of humans assume that dogs simply stick their tongue out, lap on the water, and bring the water to their mouth. So, if you're like most people, this is something that you have always believed in your entire life. What if I tell you that this common assumption is wrong? In fact, you will be surprised to know that dogs drink water in a way that is completely different from what you thought of. The tongue of the dog while drinking water is actually curls or bends backward, acting like a small pail to scoop the water. You heard me. The tongue is bent backward and not forward. So next time when you see your dog drinking water, please watch closely. Dogs don't have a full set of cheeks, which you can find in humans, horses, and elephants, because of the anatomical structure of a dog's mouth. They can't create suction to drink, so they have to rely on their tongue to drink water. You may see your dog, like me, drinking water in a sloppy manner. But no, we exactly know what we are doing. Pooch is doing high-speed, precise movements to bring water from the bowl to our mouth. Dogs need to build up momentum by moving their tongue quickly. If their tongue is too slow, the water won't form into a column that would shoot itself inside the mouth. The force coming from the tongue naturally disturbs the water too much, thereby making the mess that you humans observe. Now, let's talk about what people also ask. Do cats drink the same way as the dogs? Dogs and cats are different when it comes to drinking water. Cats don't curl their tongue backward as dogs do. They rather use less force and momentum. Cats would only skim and just barely touch the surface of the water. Thus, it's not surprising why owners would tell you that cats are viewed as cleaner and neater than their canine counterparts. How does the dog drink water? Dogs drink by plunging their tongue into the water, causing a column of water to fly upward that they catch with a precisely timed bite. The next time your dog heads to his bowl for a drink, take a second to appreciate his mastery of fluid dynamics as he laps up gulp after gulp. Do dogs drink water with the back of their tongue? Dogs lap or take up the water with their tongues curled backward. As they lap, they move their tongues very quickly to build up momentum. That forces the water into a column and up into their mouths. Why do dogs scoop water out of bowl? Some dogs will dip their paws into water to cool down. So make sure your pup is not overheated. She also might be enticed to dig into her bowl if there's a sediment or food at the bottom. So keep the dish as clean as possible. Does dog drink water? Most need about an ounce of fluids per pound of body weight per day. So, a 10-pound dog needs a bit over a cup of clean water daily. Really active or lactating dogs may need more, and puppies generally drink more than adult dogs. How long after drinking water does a dog have to pee? Puppies are also most likely to use the bathroom within 15 minutes of eating or drinking. If you have fed your puppy recently or observed it getting a drink of water, try to take it out within 10 minutes and walk until it relieves itself. Should dogs have water all day? In general, a healthy dog will drink enough water daily to stay well hydrated. But there are a few instances where dehydration can occur. Here are a few situations where a dog may be at increased risk of dehydration. Number 1, kidney disease. Number 2, metabolic disorders such as diabetes. Is my dog happy or thirsty? A dehydrated dog won't seem like themselves. They may pace or drool. They're looking for water. If your dog is thirsty, they'll be searching frantically for something to drink. Their gums are pale and dry. Do dogs need water at night? Healthy adult dogs don't need water in their crate overnight. Hydration is not an issue so long as your dog has plenty of water available throughout the day. Also, your dog should associate the ritual of going into her crate at night solely with sleep, comfort, and security, and not with drinking water. Why is dog drinking so much water? Causes of increased water intake can be a sign of many different conditions. Number 1, kidney failure. Number 2, diabetes mellitus. Number 3, Cushing's syndrome are the most common causes in senior dogs. Increased water consumption may also be seen with dehydration. However, this condition may be seen in dogs of all ages. Can I leave my dog without water during the day? Dogs can typically survive approximately 2 to 3 days without water. But it is important to note that just because they might survive it, it does not mean it's something they should be subjected to. When a dog is dehydrated, it affects all the processes in their body. Can a dog go 8 hours without water? Under normal circumstances, a dog can go 6 to 10 hours without water without any ill effects. If you forget to top up his water or water bowl before leaving for work, or if your dog knocks his bowl over while you're gone, don't panic. If he is indoors, cool, and in good health, he will be fine. How do dogs D-R-I? They found that dogs drink in a way that maximizes the amount of water per lap. Dogs lap water because they have incomplete cheeks and can create the suction we use to drink liquids. This means that they have to use their tongues to raise water upwards. Which animals drink water by tongue? Number 1, cow. Number 2, dog. Number 3, cat. Although dogs and cats drink water from their tongue, dogs actually use their tongue as a scoop to take water inside their mouth, whereas cats rapidly move their tongue on the water to create a column to water reaching their mouth. Do dogs use the back of their tongue to drink? Dogs' messy drinking caused by that backward curl of their tongues actually enables them to drink more liquid per lap than they would be able to swallow with a straight tongue. Do dogs use their tongue as a spoon? A dog uses a simple lapping process with the tongue curled slightly backward to form a spoon that collects as much water as possible and quickly puts it back into their mouth. Do dogs rip their tongue to catch the water? Yes. When the dog rip their tongues out of the water, they cause a significant amount of acceleration, about 5 times that of gravity. A water column floats into the air and the dog jumps down to catch the water. And bigger dogs do empirically splash more. Researchers also found that bigger dogs make greater tongue contact with the water surface than do small dogs.